Hey, Plant Pals, it's Mike the Kid Gardener, and today's video is a mail call. I originally was going to do a 3 package mail call. Unfortunately, one of the packages was sent back while I was waiting, and then I had a small tragedy with the construction people outside my house, shaking the house because they were jackhammering and uh, tamping the earth for the construction, and it knocked over a lamp, a light that went into a bunch of my hydroponically filled jars, which knocked them over, and it spilled onto a power supply. It was a big tragic mess, so I kind of like had a 3 day pout. I was kind of upset about it, but I decided, not to let small setbacks bother me. So I'm going to do my mail call and enjoy the happy things that I've received in the mail. One of which is I received 2 packages of seeds from T-Nog, the New Orleans Gardener. Great channel. If you don't know, which you probably should and do because everybody loves T-Nog, she sent me some tiger melon seeds. I'm going to be planting those in the spring, and some butterfly pea flower seeds. Those are beautiful. If you've ever seen the teas that she makes with them, they're just gorgeous. They're a beautiful purple. And I might try a couple inside. I'll just have to figure out a trellis system because I want to see if I can do it, just because that's the sort of thing I do. The other mail call that's definitely also cheering me up is I got a package from Lazy Days Ahead. And of course, I have some wonderful jam. I will open that. I'm just going to set that down for now while I unbox. I was in one of their lives. Oh, I got some bracelets. Awesome. Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa. There you go. Awesome. I will definitely do something cool with those. Set that down. I haven't looked in the box yet, so I'm just kind of unboxing as we go. It's another jam. Let me remove the scissors, don't need that anymore. And what I won in one of their lives, which was really awesome, is I won a bag of bulbs. These are allium bulbs. It's 100 bulbs. And they're a gorgeous flower. I believe it's in the onion family. I will definitely be planting these before it gets too cold outside. I have an auger coming, so I'm going to be drilling a bunch of holes and planting a bunch of allium bulbs. So that's very cool. Alright, that was my mail call that most definitely cheered me up from my funk. I definitely know that Lisa's wonderful jelly, so I'm going to open this up. Of course, very well wrapped. Great. This one is, cowboy candy, candied jalapenos. I will definitely be enjoying that this weekend. And okay, wow. We've been talking about this. And I've been jealous of people who received it. Open that. This is the Carrot Holiday Jam. Excellent. All right. So that is definitely a lift to my spirit. You know, and the guard community is wonderful for that. You ever feel down, just start watching videos and enjoying the wonderful people and the spirit they bring to you, and it'll lift you up. All right, this was a very fun mail call for me. Any comments, questions, leave in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.